everyone, it's Vivian Resnick
and Carolyn Christian.
We're at our newest listing in Plant City and we want to share it with you. Let's take a tour. Remember, if you'd like to have your home listed and featured on our YouTube channel, give us a call. You can find me at vivianresnick.com
and carolynchristian.com.
Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can find our handles below or click the red button to subscribe for weekly videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.